Recently I brought this RC car and now we are going to see what's inside and how to repair this car. It has lots of screws to remove. Now we just have to take off the upper part. It has lots of motors, wires and IC. It contains total 4 motors. 2 of them is to run this car and 2 of them is to lift these wheels. So this is what goes inside. Now let me show you how this smoker works. See, this smoker contains an ultrasonic transducer. Which converts the liquid water into mist. So this is just a thin layer of material. We have to pour the water to its opposite side to get the mist. See, the smoke comes out from the opposite side. It has very small holes inside which sprays the mist to the opposite side. Now I will remove the IC. To remove the IC, I need to remove the motor wires at first. So this is our main IC. It contains these 4 motor drivers and 1 microcontroller and the smaller IC beside this microcontroller is I think voltage regulator. Using this IC I am going to make RC board in upcoming video. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.